How to fix Xbox app error 0x80073CFC. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter is an inbuilt tool in Windows designed to detect and fix issues that may prevent apps from working correctly. By running this troubleshooter, you can potentially identify and solve the 0x80073CFC error. Keeping your Windows system updated ensures you have the latest system files and patches, which can resolve the error. If the gaming services component is missing or malfunctioning, it could very well cause the error. As a part of the Xbox ecosystem, gaming services should be installed automatically alongside the Xbox app. Repairing or resetting the gaming services or Xbox app can help restore their default settings, potentially eliminating any underlying issues contributing to the 0x80073CFC error. Reinstalling gaming services can refresh the components, files and settings. Here's how to do it. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Residue data or cache can sometimes hamper the downloading or updating process in Microsoft Store. Cleaning the cache can potentially eliminate these blockages.